Okay, so hello guys, how are you? I'm fine. So I'm making a video after a very long time. Today's video, I'm gonna teach you basics of Python. Like you are a beginner to learn Python, so you can start from here. In this video, I'm going to cover a basic print function you need to know, which comes at first priority. Then some number calculations which you may need further, and basic about lists, and some functions for strings like adding them, concatenating, appending, and everything, and something about variables. And okay, I'm gonna okay, so this is Sublime Text. So it is very useful. You should also use it. I will recommend you. Like it is free, and it uses very low space, and main thing, it is very handy to use. Like and you can code in any language using this editor. So I am going to code in Python. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you print function. So it works print bracket open and bracket close, some commas, and like this is to be printed. Okay, so this is printed. Okay, so next thing I'm going to tell you, it is very useful, very small thing, but it is very useful. Like you can also change the line. First I'm going to tell some other thing, that this is like second test. Okay, so in this case, this is also printed second line. Okay, it was happened because we typed print in two different lines, like second line and then third line. So it was printed first second line, then third line. Okay, so next print, this is, okay, I forgot the commands. This is para. So I need to change the line in this same text only, print. I don't have to type it again. So I'm gonna \n, then first line of, sorry, para. Okay, bracket close and bit. Okay, so what is happened, we typed it here, we typed it in same line, in fourth line this is para and first line of para, but here in the output it was printed in two different lines. It was because of the thing we typed \n. Now if I do it like this, then this space won't come, this, okay, like this. Okay, so this was basic. So next I'm going to tell you what is, let me get it fast. So variables, like I define a is equals to, a is a variable which has value hello, and okay, sorry, hello. Okay, and b is everything. I'm obviously not gonna use hello world. Okay, so I'm gonna type print a comma b. Okay, let's see what's the output. Okay, so output is hello everyone. Okay, so you understood what happened. We define variable a is equals to hello. So hello is value of a. Now we, and same with b, everyone, and we gave it command to print a comma b. Okay, so now we are not going to use this, because this is only used for we are writing direct strings, but here we are typing variables, so we will not give this. Okay, so this was first thing. Next, a is equals to 1. These are numbers actually. Okay, let me take some other number, 4. Okay, and b is, let's say, 2. Okay, so I'm gonna type a plus b. Let's see what's the output. Okay, there is nothing output. Why? because we didn't give it command to print anything. We just told a plus b. Now then print. Okay. Now let's see what's the output. Okay, 6. Okay, so 4 plus 2 and 6. And some basic other, you may be knowing a minus b. Okay, I'm gonna run them together obviously. Then print a into b. Okay, so print a slash b. Okay, then now these are the basic you must be knowing, but for powers, like, let me tell you this. Okay, so this stands for exponents. Okay, so like we typed a star star b, that stands for 4 raised to the power 2. That simply means 4 square. Okay, and the other is modulus. Modulus is actually remainder, what we call, like I typed a modulus b. So what's the meaning of this? This says that when a is divided by b, print the remainder. Okay, so what it's saying, when a is divided by, a is 4, b is 2. When 4 is divided by 2, so there's no remainder, so it will print 0. Okay, so these are some basic, and run it. Okay, so 6 a plus b, 4 a minus b, 8 a into b, 2.0, which says 8 divided by b, 4 by 2. Okay, so this prints the quotient. And 4 square 16, and a modulus b, 4 divided by 2, then print the remainder 0. Okay, so this was a basic with variables. And the funny thing is, you can do some functions with strings also, like hello. Okay, so it is saying, so let's just check hello. I'm gonna change it to 10. Hello, it printed hello 10. So it says hello is a string multiplied by 10, so it printed hello 10 times. Okay, so you can do, and you can do same something like with lists also. Lists. Okay, lists actually say, like I typed 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we take example for list. So this is a list which contains 1, 2, 3, and b is obviously 10, so we say print into b. So this will print list into 10 times. Okay, and the main thing you may notice, like it is printing in one list with only 2 square brackets, not with 10, 20 square brackets. Okay, and one important thing I need to tell you is, like you are taking a string hello, so if I need to print it, like output should be hello. So this should be the output. So if I tried this way, so it wouldn't work obviously, because it is wrong syntax. So for this I have to type a backslash here and a backslash there. So what this backslash will do, this will just ignore the next step after the backslash, that is just this colon. So this is it will ignore it as a function and it will take it as a string, and this is also a backslash, so this will also ignore the next one. So what I'll do, wait, okay, so this printed hello hello, hello 10 times. Okay, like, see, so this is also important, you may require. So next we move on to strings. We have done basic print function, basic number calculations we have done. Now we have basic, we'll do basic about this. We first move on to strings. Okay, so first strings, like print. So I'm gonna take, first I'm gonna define a variable a is equals to hello. Okay, so len a. So what this actually do, this will take the length of variable a, that is actually 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, this will print, let's check, 5. Okay, so it's correct. Second important, print index. Now we need to know the location of a particular term or variable or a letter in that whole complete string. So I need to know position of h. So it is obviously located on first place. Okay, so it is obviously located on first place. So index its position is, okay, so there is an error in our code. Okay, so I forgot a dot, it is gonna take a dot index h. Okay, so 0, what, it should be printing 1, this Python, no, actually no. See, the thing is, okay, so it takes positions as 0 1 2 3 and 4. It will count those as 5, but it will take those position as 0 1 2 3 4. So it is starting from 0, that's why it printed 0. We take position of L. Okay, so there are two L's, so let's check what it may print. Okay, it printed 2. Why it printed 2? Why not 3? It is located on both the places 2 and 3. It printed 2 because this L came on first place. It starts counting from here and takes H, E, L. As soon as it strikes L, it gives us the output. It does not think about the other L. So that's why it is giving us L. Okay. So next thing we can do is, we can say count. Okay, count. So it actually counts the number of alphabet in that string. What it'll do, it'll count the number of L's in that hello. Okay, so there are 2 hellos, so it will say 2. Like if I say H, okay, 1, and if I say oh hello, okay, so it says oh, okay, so it says 9. Oh, I typed 9 O's. Okay, so this is the function. Oh, so next thing useful to us is like print a and square brackets, and we are gonna need a position, like a number of positions from 2 to 4. We need L to O. Okay, so what we'll just type, we'll type 2 to 4. Okay, so let's check. It printed L. Oh, why? I said 2 to 4. No, it actually doesn't work that way. If you said 4, then it will start counting from 2, 2, 3, and it will gonna take -1, 4 minus 1. fourth is in the last value. The value before the fourth place is the last. So if you have to print HELLO, so I have to type 5. Okay, so in this case it prints LLO. Okay, then the second useful thing is like print a square brackets 1. So what does this say? There is another syntax. Okay, so that syntax says opposite, like this is our start point. Okay, and then it says stop, then it says jump. Okay, so it is like arithmetic progressions or something, like it takes start value, it takes stop value. We here we give start value 2, stop value 5, minus 5 minus 1 obviously. Then here we didn't enter start neither stop, we just entered jump is actually a thing 1. Okay, so it will jump one place. Okay, so like build, so it is saying hello. Why it is not jumping? Oh my god, it is not jumping because it says printing the hello. Okay, so it is printing hello as it is. Why it is not jumping? So let's write -1. Okay, so it is starting from back, so it is not jumping any place, it just started from the last place -1 and then it began. Okay, so we can also try print a dot upper. Okay, what does that mean? So let's try and run it. Okay, so what is it's doing actually? Hello. So it is the upper function, it is converting every alphabet of the string hello to capital and lower to every. So here it is not tested properly, so let's change it to capital. No. Okay, capital L's. Okay, see, it still printed the same thing. Okay, so next important thing is print a dot capitalize. Okay, so capitalize function is what we in English do capital letters of first word. Okay, so this is string and first word, so this will capitalize the first alphabet of the string, only first alphabet. So what if the second alphabet? Let's try what. Okay, so it did not capitalize the first word of the first alphabet of the second word. Why? Because in English when we say write in capital letters, so it says the first alphabet of the whole string has to be the capital. So this is only capital. Okay, so this is all about in this video covered. Okay, and so thank you for watching the video, and surely tell what you else need, so I'll definitely try to make a video. Thank you.